Have you ever wondered what it would be like to send information through time? Sounds pretty crazy, right? But did you know that scientists have been thinking about this for a lot longer than you might think? In today's video, we're diving into the concept of sending information through time. It's a theoretical experiment that challenges our understanding of physics and reality itself. So, buckle up for an unexpected journey. First things first, let's understand what we mean by sending information through time. This concept stems from Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, which tells us that time is not absolute. In other words, time can move differently depending on speed and gravity. So, it's possible that time flows differently for two people in different locations. But, what if we could manipulate time to send information to the past or future? Scientists have proposed the idea of wormholes, a phenomenon in spacetime that could allow travel between dimensions or even through time. This isn't just science fiction. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, wormholes could exist, though we haven't found one yet. The idea is, if we could find a way to harness wormholes, it might be possible to send information through time. However, even though wormholes seem like the solution to this experiment, there are some major hurdles to overcome. First off, we don't know for sure if wormholes even exist in the universe. Even if they do, they are highly unstable. They could vanish in an instant after forming. So to send information, we would need a way to stabilize them. But, if we could do that, information could theoretically jump between different points in time. One idea that has been proposed involves using particles called tachyons. Tachyons are hypothetical particles that move faster than light. If there's a way to interact with these particles, we might be able to send information faster than the time we know. But keep in mind, this is all still theoretical, with no concrete evidence just yet. Still, we're on the edge of some mind-blowing discoveries. But this experiment also raises some big questions. For instance, are we ready for the consequences of sending information to the past or future? One issue that might arise is the time paradox, like we see in movies. What happens if we change something in the past? Would it alter the entire timeline? Or would the future change if we send information to it? The ethical implications are huge as well. If information could be sent, who would control it? What if this technology fell into the wrong hands? These are questions that make this experiment feel like a double-edged sword, but that's what makes it so intriguing. So, even though sending information through time is still in the realm of theory and full of challenges, it's far from boring. Who knows, maybe one day we'll discover a way to navigate spacetime and send information to the past or future. But for now, we have to keep wondering, is this possible? If you're fascinated by crazy experiments and scientific theories like this, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe. And let me know your thoughts on this topic in the comments. Do you think time travel could become a reality? Or is it just a dream? I want to know.